Hello, it's Deborah from the Attic, and today I have the August 2022 subscription box from Your Creative Studio to unwrap, unbox and then show you how I use. Now, I only received this box a few days ago, 2 or 3 days ago, but even though it's the August 2022 box and I'm now filming this a couple of days before Christmas, it's a good way to demonstrate to you that because of the way these boxes are curated and because of the vintage nature of the contents, it doesn't actually matter what season or month you start to subscribe, because all of these will work together with any of the other boxes from any of the other months or any of the other seasons. They are really, really interchangeable. I'm going to very quickly take you through the amazing contents. These boxes are always absolutely stuffed to the brim with loads of goodies. So I'm going to quickly take you through the contents. Then I'm going to show you 5 different page layouts using only the contents of the box. I think that's really important. I might add a pair of scissors or some glue, but essentially I'm just going to use the contents of this box so that then you know you don't have to add anything else to it. You can use the contents exactly as I do, without having to throw in a whole load of extra crafting things at it. If you're a returning friend, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, you're very welcome. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know whenever new videos are uploaded. And all of the details for this box and everything else to do with Your Creative Studio you will find in the description box below the video. Click the read more button. You'll get all of the information in there about working. And you might recognise this from previous videos. These are previous page layouts using previous subscription boxes. And I use this as a reference. And it's a reference for if I want to make a greetings card or a scrapbook page layout, because what it gives me is ideas about concepts and focal points. So as an example, in this page, although everything sits squarely in the centre of the page, it spills out of a standard sort of box shape. So you can literally spill out of a shape. And I love this focal point of the clip and then a stamped image of birds using a previous stamp from a kit. Another example is this one where I've stamped behind my focal image. and the focal image is an envelope. So I use this quite cheaply bought, quite thickly paged book as my design resource, and we're going to fill a few more pages in this book. I'm going to talk you through my ideas for the way I've chosen the pages and the pieces that I'm going to use. So I go by a colour theme. I like colour themes that will work together, and these pages and the pieces of ephemera in the boxes always give you loads of ideas. So I will start by putting together pages of different colours, of different themes, and then these will become the basis for what I put into my book. So that's one set of papers that I've gathered together. This is another one where the focus is on mushrooms, and I've chosen colours that are quite strong and that will work quite nicely together. Next, I've chosen a range of blues, and I've also picked out some of the little sticky backed butterflies that I will use, and some of the stamps as well. I want to use some of this lovely parchment style paper as well, and I've gone for a pinky red theme using these smaller pieces of paper ephemera from one of the earlier packets. Finally, I want to use some of these pages, this parchment again, this sticky backed sheet of paper as well that complements everything, and some of these little stickers. And I'm also going to look at using maybe the string and the tag that was part of the string and the washi tape. And as I work my way through each page, hopefully you will see how these come to life. Now, in my previous video, I talked you through my thought process. This time I'm trying it slightly differently, and I'm showing you which pages I'm starting with, and then you can follow my progress. So I will eliminate some of these elements. I might bring in different elements when I look back through the kit to find something else to form focal points or to give me nice shapes or nice colours. That's our final page using this month's subscription kit, and I hope that's given you some ideas for how you can use yours. I've tried to show you different layouts, different ways of using the pages, ways that you can make the colour draw everything together so it looks like a nice composite piece, and some ideas also for creating little tuck spots using the parchment paper, and ways to just decorate a page, and sometimes less is more. I rather like this style. If you want to know more about your creative studio, just look in the description box below the video. I'll provide a link to their website. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please select the like thumbs up below the video. It really helps with those pesky algorithms, and I'll be back with you soon. So until we meet again, stay safe and take care.